game is called Coin Collecting Platformer. It was created by devlog on YouTube. If you want me to create an AI generated game completely made out of images from AI like Night Cafe, comment on this video, press like, and I'll see if I can I'm actually playing the game right now, and I will see if I can copy this game. And I've already found a bug in the game, because if I fall down here, I can't get back up, I can't crouch. I have to die to get past this little bit here. So with just a few coins remaining to collect, can I complete the game? Woohoo! So guys, if you like the sound of this and you want to see me create the game, press like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my seat. Know that they ride or die.